Hello my friends, with its crystal clear turquoise waters, pristine white sand beaches, and luxurious resorts, Sardinia's Emerald Coast is a true paradise for beach lovers and discerning travelers. This exquisite coastal region, also known as Costa Smeralda, offers a blend of natural beauty and upscale lifestyle that has made it a sought-after destination for jet-setters and sunseekers from around the world. One of the premier destinations along the Emerald Coast is Porto Cervo, a glamorous town that showcases the epitome of luxury and sophistication. Its world-renowned marina is filled with opulent yachts, creating a stunning backdrop against the azure waters. Stroll along the promenade, lined with high-end boutiques and exclusive restaurants, and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of this chic coastal hub. Porto Cervo is also home to a collection of lavish resorts that exude elegance and offer unparalleled comfort. These five-star establishments cater to the desires of discerning travelers, providing luxurious accommodations, world-class amenities, and breathtaking views of the Mediterranean. Whether you choose to relax by the infinity pools, indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments, or savor gourmet cuisine, the resorts of Porto Cervo are designed to create an unforgettable experience. While Porto Cervo may be the playground of the elite, the true allure of the Emerald Coast lies in its pristine beaches. Capriccioli is one such gem, featuring a crescent-shaped bay with powdery white sand and shallow, crystal-clear waters. This beach is a haven for sunbathers and swimmers alike, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Take a leisurely swim in the refreshing sea, soak up the sun on a comfortable lounger, or explore the vibrant underwater world through snorkeling or diving adventures. Another must-visit beach along the Emerald Coast is Spiaggia del Principe, which translates to Beach of the Prince. This idyllic stretch of coastline is nestled amidst rugged cliffs and lush Mediterranean vegetation, creating a secluded and romantic ambience. The fine sand and vibrant blue hues of the sea create a mesmerizing tableau that is sure to captivate any visitor. Spiaggia del Principe's A plus where time seems to stand still, allowing you to unwind, soak in the natural beauty, and create unforgettable memories. Beyond its stunning beaches and luxurious resorts, the Emerald Coast offers a wealth of activities and attractions. Golf enthusiasts can tee off at world-class golf courses, while water sports enthusiasts can indulge in sailing, windsurfing, and kayaking. For those seeking a cultural experience, nearby archaeological sites and museums offer insights into Sardinia's rich history and ancient civilizations. Culinary delights are also an integral part of the Emerald Coast experience. Sample the region's renowned seafood dishes, such as freshly caught lobster, grilled octopus, and succulent prawns, paired with exquisite local wines. The combination of exceptional cuisine and breathtaking coastal views creates a sensory feast that reflects the essence of this remarkable region. In conclusion, Sardinia's Emerald Coast is a destination that seamlessly blends natural beauty with luxury and exclusivity. From the glamorous town of Porto Cervo and its yacht-filled marina to the enchanting beaches of Capriccioli and the Spiaggia del Principe, every aspect of this coastal region is designed to enchant and delight. Please don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let us know where you'd like to see next. Until next time, thank you for taking this journey with me throughout all of Italy and Sicily. I pray you have a great day. Ciao.